Kay Daniel, what was it like working on a genre hardcore action that's different than your signature rom-com and romantic drama? What was the most challenging and most rewarding part? And this is from Natalie Tomada ng Philippine Star.
Nakapag-warm up naman na kami dati ni Derek Lester sa Laguna Sangre. Diba, nakasubok na ng konting action doon. And yeah, siyempre it's very different. Pero iba rin to. Ito kasing action talaga. Magsimula yung araw mo, adrenaline rush na yun hanggang gabi. So, pagkadating mo sa hotel mo, very fulfilling din. Diba? Kasi may mga stunts din na hindi matadali. Pero pag nagawa namin yun, it's very fulfilling. So yeah, it's very different. Siyempre, kahit pa paano, it's still very new for me. Pero, saya. Matagal-tagal ko rin gagawin to.
That's pretty good answer kasi ngayon nakikita din
Ramdaman na dapat matapatan o mahigitan pa ang naging tagumpay ng The Iron Heart.
There's always pressure, and if you want to succeed in this industry, you have to shine with that pressure, diba? Pressure is always part of it, but there's a saying that you're only as good as your last project. But this time around, I'm very thankful that I'm surrounded by a great group of artists, great group of creatives, and I think we're gonna push the boundaries again with this one. We're gonna elevate the action once again with this one. And this time around, ensemble kami. You know, hindi lang ako yung may pressure. Medyo napapasa ko sa kanila yung pressure. Diba? So, nadi-dissipate yung pressure, which is actually a better feeling. We're working as a team and, you know, the pressure is as a team. But we enjoy that pressure and, you know, we have no choice but to shine with that pressure.
fully embracing action. And that is from Natalie Tomada from Philippine Star.
Hindi, wala naman silang binibigay na pressure sa akin. So, wala rin naman akong nararamdaman na kaba o ano na kung ano dahil ko alam eh. I'm just doing my best, you know. So, anong kalabasan nun? That's it, you know. Kung ano man, basta I'm doing my best and I'm proud sa mga nagagawa naming lahat as a group. Sa trailer pa lang, I'm excited. Parang excited na ako pakita rin sa airpod ko to. Parang panis siya sa akin.
I like that answer. You know, it's a good answer.
May mahusay, syempre, di ba? Ang tatay ko nandun din, ang mga tito ko, pero iba-iba rin kami ng timpla. Tingnan natin ko na naman ang may offer ko. So, yun lang.
Awesome.
Such a humble answer, di ba? Tsaka ang ganda, ang nakuha ko sa sagot niya, imbes to tell us about your feelings nung natanggap niyo yung news na magiging part kayo together ulit sa isang project, yung coming from the success of Can't Buy Me Love.
Well, noong una, parang binasa muna namin yung script, tapos nung nakita ko na parang, okay, medyo may glimpse pa rin ng pagka-story. Hindi naman sobra, pero andun pa rin yung fun. So parang, sabi ko makaka-work ulit si Marisa. Alam ko naman na masarap katabaho si Marisa. Yung mga eksena namin talagang pumapatong-patong kasi dami namin naiisip talaga na pwede kong bata tong lines na to, tapos sabayan mo ng ganito, yung mga gano'n. So parang laging nagbibigaya kami palagi sa eksena. Happy ako maka-work ulit si Marisa.
Super happy ako na maka-work ulit si Anthony. And, nung nalaman namin na action yung gagawin namin, as in sobrang excited talaga kami. Well, ako, may pressure kasi hindi pa ako talaga nakasabak na action talaga.
Ever?
Siguro yung action lang na nagawa ko na dapa, ganyan. Pero,
galing niya.
mga ganon. Pero dito talaga may intense training. And then, happy kami kasi yung mga scenes na nagawa namin so far, funny. Yan. Nakakaaliw ulit. Kami na naman magbibigay ng happiness. And yeah, excited na makasama ko dito. Yeah.
Nakita nga rin natin sa trailer, Jimpy Alarcon of the Rewind channel. Out of all the projects that you've done in the past, what makes Incognito different? So yun. So bakit niyo tinanggap and what makes this different from other projects? Who would like to answer first? Mr. Baron Geisler?
Yeah, for me it's very new to me to really open my heart sa cast, sa crew. Everybody na mula sa writer, director, and then because of this show, mas maiyak ba ako? Mas nakakuha ko, yung mga kasama ko, hinihila nila ako pataas eh, paakyat. And they're really, like, kay Direct Lester, the entire team no, ng Star Creatives, nung miniting nila over this show, they said, Baron, you know, we just want to help you straighten out your life, and we're here to support you. Tapos, bonus pa yung nagtutulungan kami, may relationship talaga kami sa isa't isa. Like nung I flew to Japan to shoot a movie, message sa akin si DJ, oh pare, ilipad ka, huwag ka magalat dyan ha. That really meant a lot to me, di ba? So nakita ko na, sobrang laki rin ng changes ni DJ, mature na rin siya. And then si Kuya Ian naman, is my mentor, big brother, na kapag may mga questions ako about life, napaka-deep ni Kuya Ian. Kasi sa age, di ba, wisdom eh. Puro na wisdom. Space bro, pareho tayong, ano dito, medyo may edad. Tapos, yun lang. For me, I just want to continue doing my best, giving my all, to be a dependable actor, and to just open my heart sa hindi lang sa show na to eh. Kasi nadadala ko yung good attitude, manners, behavior sa iba pang mga nakakasama kong production. So I really am grateful sa Star Creatives, ABS-CBN, and Direct Lester, everyone. I love you guys, sa buong cast. I love you guys.
Hold on. Parang iyak na eh.
Oo
You know,
nga, ibang-iba
very nice one.
talaga. Yes, ibang-iba yung project na to. That's what makes it different for Mr. Baron Geisler. Yung love talaga, even beyond work, di ba? Andun yung care, and andun yung
Basketball
support
nga,
na.
di ba? We play basketball nga
Yes.
between shoots.
Gusto ko
So
doon
may
hilang pataas.
accountability. May accountability kami sa isa't isa. And that's what I need.
Thank you, Baron. Appreciate it. I'm sure everyone will, remember those words coming from the heart.
Okay, who would like to answer next? Bakit niyo po tinanggap ang project na to and what makes it different from your past projects? Maurice?
I think naman all of us, we all feel so lucky to be part of the show. Kasi nung nalaman namin, miniting kami, nung nalaman namin na maging part na kami, it's super exciting kasi this production, even nung pagkasabi ni Direk Lester, they all want to reach something for action here sa Philippines. And sobrang happy kami, naging part kami nito kasi gusto talaga nila mag-break ng boundaries, lahat. Marami silang gustong i-achieve. So yeah, ang daming excited. First time namin magawa, super ganda ng pagkagawa ng mga stunts, ng actions, ng scenes, ng costumes, everything, mga guns, super ganda ng lahat. And ang ganda din ng story kasi somehow nagme-mirror siya of what's really happening in the country and all over the world. Maraming mga issues na i-resolve, maraming mga may ilahat sa mga manonood. Yung mga nangyayari in real life, yung mga sad na nangyayari. So yeah, parang it's action-packed, but it's also full of heart, the show.
Yes.
For me personally, it's my first time doing something of the action genre, and it's also something that I've always wanted to do. So when I heard about it, and when I heard that I was going to be a part of it, I was really very excited, and at the same time nervous. And syempre, I still feel quite nervous because it hasn't aired yet, and syempre, we all wanted to be successful, and we all wanted to do well because we've put so much of ourselves into the show. And we have a lot of faith because we know what we've put into it, and we're also very excited for everybody to see it. So yeah, personally for me, it was a lot. It was such an exciting project to take on, and finally, I'm doing something that I really wanted to do for a long time. And sobrang saya ko because sobrang saya ng tapings namin, honestly. Because we're all together, we all have so much fun with each other, not just us as a cast, but even with the crew. So it's such a joy to go to taping every day and to see each other every lock and cycle and to spend time with each other. So it's really, though it can be physically exhausting at times, but yeah, it makes it so much more fun and such a joy to wake up every day and see each other kasi ang ganda ng friendship na nabuo namin as a cast. And I'm so excited for people to see that and for it to reflect on screen as well.
Galing. First time din pala niya at matagal niyang hinintay yung ganitong project. So,
Nung binanggit sa akin yung kwento nila direct, sobra akong nagkaroon ng interest yun nga yung private military contractor. Kasi ayos na. Tapos nabanggit pa kung sino mga kasama. Ha? Tapos kinumbinsi ako na dito Tinawagan niya ako. Tapos si Shirt din. Pero next parang ibang timpla na rin, ano? At nga yung binabanggit nila na elevation, parang gusto kong maging parte ng, di ba? Iba rin yung mga apoy sa mata ni Derek Lester nung binabanggit sa akin yung kwento at yung pupuntahan nung nung show namin. So sabi ko, yeah, gusto kong maging parte nito, So, thanks guys. Happy to be a part of this. Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel.
Actually, after Ironheart,
Yes, Richard.
nagkukwento lang ako after Ironheart, nagkasama kami ni Daniel sa isang gathering, party. Tapos, kinausap ko siya na sana gumawa tayo ng action. Sabi ko, bagay sa'yo mag-action, dapat gumawa tayo ng action. And then after a few months, boom, ito na nangyari ng Incognito. So, parang it's meant to happen.